So for 28b, we're going to solve this modulus inequalities. For this question, we can solve it alternatively by multiply this modulus to the right hand side. So first, I separate the modulus, then I multiply it to the right hand side. Because it is a modulus at denominator, so I can multiply it to the right hand side. So don't forget to write down the important x here is 2x plus 3 not equals to 0. X cannot equals to negative 3 over 2. So that is very important. We state out the originality of this question, where the x is come from rational. Then we can start change the modular side to square root and square. So in order to solve modulus both sides, we can do our method square both sides. So this will simplify, and then leaving our answer here 3x minus 2 square. Then right hand side is 2 square equals to 4. Then 2x plus 3 square. So we expand it one by one. And when we meet a quadratic inequalities, we have to rearrange to the right hand side. We rearrange them to the left hand side and leaving the right hand side 0. So this is less than 0 because I divide it by negative, or not originally is negative 7x squared negative okay, so I want to simplify it. I will divide by negative in order to get positive quadratic. So I will need to change sign when I divide by negative. Then we do factorization and we do graphing in order to solve these inequalities. So our roots here, we were getting negative 8 and negative 4 over 7. So our roots, our factorization here will become x plus 8 and 7x plus 4. And we see here our region here, as we simplify our quadratic inequalities, this is less than 0, means we're going to take the negative region, which is less than, which is the region below the x-axis. So finally our answer will be equal to negative 8 less than x less than negative 4 over 7. So put in set. And don't forget to take x cannot equals to negative 3 over 2, as it is the originality of the questions. So now we're going to look at what is important here. The first one, you have to write our denominator cannot equals to 0. That will be our first basic definition here. That is our basic here. Okay, then we perform our squaring both sides to get off our modulus, and we expand it correctly. And we come up to the simplified form of our quadratic. Then we're going to do our concept of factorization and concept of graphing. Then after that, we have to pick the correct region here and give your answer in. set notation or interval form, also accepted. But the question already said find the interval. So find the interval of x. So it's supposedly to give our answer in interval form. So our interval form here will become -8, not include, until -3/2, union, because we cannot take the answer -3/2, until -4/7. So that's supposed to be our final answer here. Okay. Okay, so I'm missing one here is how you simplify the things after you expand and how we simplify the quadratic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.